Hello everyone, I wanted to show you a few features. I've already set it up. Let's take Bitcoin. Let's start with the price. We have some dollars, we have some Bitcoins. Let's trade around $20 back and forth. This is basically our base price. This is our buy trigger and this is our SELL trigger. So let's start normally. I'll start that. You can see it in the simulation. Now, let's go. Let's simulate a trade. Then you set the price here to 17,000. All right, so we've triggered a buy order here. Now, let's set a SELL at 17,200. Then we'll come back. So far, so good. Here you have the option. These are basically the master buttons for the buys and sells. You can say, if you see that the price is going down and you assume it will go further below the trigger price, then you can quickly press buy. This will lock the buy, and even if the price goes down to 17,000, no orders will be executed because they are locked, and even if it goes down to 16,900, you can watch the whole thing. If you think, okay, it has reached a good level now, then you can just press it again to release it, and once you release it, the buy orders will be triggered again. But of course, you had a trigger price of 17,180. But you'll actually get a much better price because you're setting it 0.75% above expectations. So you have the option to quickly lock prices if you see a rapid pump. You naturally don't want to sell too quickly, but you can lock it first and wait. We can also lock both as you'd like. Another function is these buttons here. You can move them, and by doing so, you effectively move the trigger price. Let me give you an example. Let's say you don't want to buy at this level immediately. It's currently set at 1%. You don't want to buy right away because you think the price will fall further. So you buy 2 levels at once. So if the price were to fall to 16,700, you'd see that the price is below it. But no orders would be triggered because you've decided on the second level, and only if the price drops below 16,600, let's say now, only then will the buy orders be triggered, and 2 levels at once. So you naturally get a much better price because you had the first trigger above 16,800. But you both got it for 16,600. That means the first level has made a 1.5% profit than without setting the button. If you assume that a larger pump is imminent, you can set it accordingly, and if the price rises to 16,900, so nothing is triggered yet. If the price continues to rise to 17,100, still nothing is triggered, and only at the third stage. If the price is above 17,200, there you go. You've effectively sold 3 positions at a better price than without using the button, so you have the option to control the whole thing here. The bot is free for you. We don't want to take money from you before you've earned something. The bot is not a money printing machine, but a help for people who already know a bit about trading. Just because the bot is free doesn't mean it's not good. No. It's very good and has important features. We finance ourselves through affiliate earnings, which we believe is very fair, and if you want to donate to us if you make money with the bot, you're welcome to do so. Otherwise, feel free to tell others about us. No one will take anything away from you just because they also use the bot. That's the genius compared to many other bots that run on certain signals. The more money you invest or the more people participate, the worse the bot performs. This is not the case with us. You have control over the bot and are the master of your decisions. That's it for today, and there's more in the next video. Don't forget to follow us.